Best practices for managing outsourced teams across time zones. Managing outsourced teams across time zones can feel like a constant battle. Deadlines slip, messages go unanswered, and your team is awake while they're offline. Frustration builds, mistakes happen, and before you know it, projects derail. The reality is clear. Time zone differences can destroy productivity if you don't manage them well. But here's the good news. Companies that do it right gain an edge. They unlock efficiency, increase flexibility, and tap into global talent like never before. The key is managing the challenges before they manage you. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Clear communication is the foundation. Without it, misunderstandings spread fast. Expectations must be set early and reinforced often with clear guidelines on response times, availability, and project timelines. When teams know what to expect, they deliver. Without it, chaos takes over. Scheduling is another key factor. Overlapping work hours make or break an outsourced team. Without shared hours, real-time collaboration becomes impossible. The best companies set core hours where everyone is available and use staggered shifts, flexible schedules, and planned check-ins to ensure smooth operations. Technology plays a major role too. The right tools bridge the time gap and create seamless workflows. Real-time messaging, task management software, and video calls keep teams connected. Without them, teams become disconnected and work slows down. But technology alone isn't enough. You need a culture of accountability. It's not just about tracking progress, it's about building trust. When everyone understands their role and commits to deadlines, work moves forward. The best teams document progress, provide updates, and take ownership of their tasks. Without accountability, things fall apart. Documentation is essential too. A well-run, outsourced team doesn't rely on verbal instructions alone. Processes, expectations, and responsibilities must be clearly documented so work continues smoothly even when schedules don't align. Companies that skip this step deal with repeated mistakes and wasted time. And let's not forget relationships. A team spread across time zones still needs to feel connected. Without that, engagement drops and motivation suffers. The best companies build team unity through virtual meetups, shared goals, and a culture of recognition, ensuring everyone feels valued no matter where they are. So where do you start? How do you put all these pieces together and make outsourcing work for your business? That's where Outsourcing Fit comes in. We help businesses find the right outsourcing partners, strategies, and structures to maximize success. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve an existing outsourced team, we provide the guidance and connections you need. Want to explore outsourcing and learn how to manage remote teams more effectively? The next tour to the Philippines commences on the 2nd of June, 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the link in the description below to register your email, engage with Outsourcing Fit, and access our content library for free.